Okay, so I want to go over with you just a little bit what we've done or what I've done to the site. I'm going to go ahead and get ready to start promoting the site. So I just want to kind of go over and show you what I did just real quick. I did add a couple of articles. I haven't added 5 yet, but I have added a couple. And I went ahead and made sure our home page is SEO optimized. And so the way we did that is I'll go in and show you just real quick. And this is our home page. This is our page. And so if you see over here for the rank code SEO, this is actually a plugin that I've worked on, and I've made it a lot better. So you can see that we got a score of 90 on it. So this is going to work pretty well in getting search engines to take a look at it. So that's what we got. Now I've also added a couple of widgets. I've added some banners within the content, but that's really about it. So now in this video, what we're going to talk about is making or working with YouTube and creating a video about your site. Okay, and before we do that, I just want to tell you about this Firefox plugin that I use sometimes. And it's an Amazon Firefox plugin, and it's really cool. It will help you get to locations and see about Amazon products, get images, and different things like that. And it's an Amazon Firefox plugin, so if you just go in and do a search for it, I'm sure you can find it. It's really, really useful. So, okay, so let's go on to making a video in YouTube. Let's talk about the software we're going to use to make videos. Now, if you, one of the softwares is the best use is Microsoft Windows or Microsoft Live Movie Maker, and it's really good for just making quick videos, slideshow videos. Another one that I'm experimenting with and using is EasyVid, and it's a really cool software to make videos. It's probably better than most of the paid software out there, so I recommend you trying it. And so EasyVid and Microsoft Windows Live Movie Maker. I'm going to do the video using Microsoft Movie Maker first, and while we're talking about making the video for our site, for this particular site, so that we can drive traffic to our site. Okay, so we got Movie Maker open, but first we need to get some images. And we're going to start talking about, or we're going to do, or actually create the video, but after this there's some important information that we need to talk about as far as making the video for YouTube. And we might as well talk about that right now. When you're creating a video for YouTube, and you're talking about creating a video about a Amazon product that you're promoting, you don't want to make a spammy video, and you certainly don't want to link directly to the Amazon product. What I mean by that is putting an Amazon product link in your description of the video, because that's not what we're doing. We want to make a video that will give good information about the product, but give good information about this site. Our site has good information about a specific product, and even in general about headphones. So when we make that video, we want to make the video about headphones, but we want to make it so that it will give the person watching the video value. We don't want to make it spammy or anything like that. Okay, and you definitely want to link back to a blog type page like this page is here. You don't want to link to a direct affiliate link. Okay, so that's kind of what you want to do. And what we're going to do is make a slideshow video, and we're going to add a little bit of content to it, so that we can tell people that, hey, they can find out good information about this particular headphone and about headphones in general on our blog site here. So the first thing we need to do is we need to grab some images of the particular product. And so we're going to go into this new tab here, but we're going to use our handy dandy Firefox plugin, and I have typed the product name into the search bar, and we're just going to click on search, and you'll kind of see how it works. So it brought us up all this information about the product, and what we can do is just click on images over here. Now you're okay, as far as I know, you're okay with using these images inside our as slideshow for a video. I don't, as far as I can tell, there are no problems with that. So we need to just get some images first, and then once we get our images, we will start putting them on our movie maker. Okay, so we got about 6 images, and what we're going to do is we're going to add them into our movie maker. Okay, so we've added the images. Now, one of the first things you need to do is add a opening and a closing. This is going to be a unique opening and a unique closing. So that's what we're going to do. So the way we'll do that is we'll just click on the title, and we will make this area here, and we're going to type in our information, and then we'll do the same thing at the end. Okay, so we put in that opening frame. So it has our a unique opening. Okay, here's our unique opening. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put in another title. Okay, except we're going to move this over here. We're going to try to anyway. Okay, and then we're going to move it back one. So we have the opening, and then we have a frame, and then we're going to have another text area. Okay, so we have our next content, and we've added some content about the product. So we're going to add it here. So we got our opening, image, and then content. Now we're going to put another content right after this image. Okay, so we've got our, it's basically the first part of an article. We've got images, and we've got our end where we're going to have a call to action to visit our blog for more information or to read the rest of the article. And then we've added just our the built-in effects of Movie Maker, which it does a really good job. And so we have a video. Now all we need to do is add a little bit of music to it. If you are, really getting fancy, if you have a good text-to-speech software, you can add text-to-speech to this if you'd like. You can if you want. I'm going to just add some music here, and so when we add the music, we'll be done with creating this video.